Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto like XRP, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the latest updates in the crypto world. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your XRP in no time. Let's get started. First off, a quick refresher. XRP is a fast and efficient cryptocurrency, often used for cross-border payments, and it's gaining even more traction in 2025. Uphold is a popular platform for buying, selling, and holding crypto, while the Arculus Wallet is a secure hardware wallet that keeps your digital assets safe from hackers. Transferring from Uphold to Arculus is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Make sure you're on a secure network. Use two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once logged in, navigate to your XRP holdings in the dashboard. Step 2. Select your XRP balance and choose the Withdraw or Send option. You'll need to enter the destination wallet details, so keep your Arculus wallet handy. Step 3. Open your Arculus wallet app or device. Generate or access your XRP wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check this address to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the Arculus wallet address into the withdrawal form. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updates like the XRP ledger improvements. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Uphold will process it, and you should see a confirmation email or notification. Head over to your Arculus wallet to verify the XRP has arrived. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. In 2025, keep an eye on regulatory changes that might affect XRP transfers. And remember, security is key. Never share your wallet keys. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer XRP from Uphold to Arculus Wallet. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.